Hello everyone. Today I have a story on never judge anyone too quickly. The story goes like this, that there is a man who has 4 sons. He wanted his sons to learn not to judge things too quickly. He sent them on a quest and wanted them to go and look for a pear tree that was far away. But he sent each of his sons in a different season. He sent the oldest son in winter. The second went in spring. The third went in the summer season, and the youngest one in autumn. After all of them returned from their quests, their father gathered them to listen to their experiences. The oldest son told him that the trees were rotten, ugly, and dead. The second son disagreed and said that the trees looked beautiful and green buds. The third son also said it looked stunning with all the blossoms. And the fourth one disagreed with all of his brothers, saying that by the time he reached the tree, it was loaded with sweet and ripe fruits. The man told his sons that they were all right about the tree because they saw it during different stages of its life. He told them to remember this experience and never judge a person just by one season of their life. And he also told them not to judge a person's emotions only based on one occasion. Our lives are a mixture of 4 seasons that change as time passes by, and they are a mixture of emotions. The emotion of love, hatred, joy, and sorrows. A person's life can only be judged if you are familiar with all 4 aspects, but that is almost impossible. Therefore, never point fingers when you've only heard one side of the joy. We can learn another lesson from this story, and that is that if you give up this winter, you will miss the promises of your spring, the beauty of your summer, and all the fulfillment from your autumn. One challenging season will not decide your entire life. One day, your flowers will blossom too, and you will get back on track. Never allow one difficult season to decide the fate of the rest. So therefore, children, can you see this picture on the screen? This is exactly how you are going to take your life. If you are not able to succeed in the first attempt, you have to wait, give time. There is going to be another season where you are going to overcome your failures, learn from the mishaps, and stand steadfast. You will be able to, you will do, and always say to yourself, I can, I will, and therefore I will. Stay happy, stay firm, stay blessed.